Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Walmart affiliate program for passive income, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Walmart affiliate program website. Click on the sign up button to create a new account. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and password. Provide details about your website or social media channels. Describe your promotional methods and target audience. Agree to the terms and conditions before proceeding. Check your email for a confirmation message from Walmart. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your affiliate dashboard. Explore the affiliate tools and resources available. Start by browsing the product catalog to find items relevant to your niche. Select products that you want to promote. Generate unique affiliate links for each product. Store these links in a document for easy access later. Create engaging content that features your selected products. Consider writing blog posts, creating social media posts, or making video reviews. Integrate your affiliate links naturally into your content. Ensure you disclose your affiliate relationship to maintain transparency. Track your performance through the affiliate dashboard. Analyze which products are generating traffic and sales. Adjust your strategies based on this data. Focus on optimizing high-performing content. Promote seasonal or trending products to increase visibility. Continuously engage with your audience to build trust. Explore additional promotional opportunities, like email marketing and ads. Stay informed about Walmart's updates and new products. Regularly review and refresh your content to keep it relevant. Monitor your earnings to gauge the success of your efforts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.